for a grand total of 5, though I feel like there was 6. Am I missing one? Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt with 86, and today I'm taking a look at some Asiahorse cables. They all are about 30 centimeters long, so whichever pack you get about 30. They're all 30 centimeters long. And talking a little bit about them because there are some important things to know. They are UL 1015 cables, which is important for things like thermals. Just to quickly tell you a story, a long time ago I needed an extension to make the CPU header reach, and that ended up smoking and melting through the protection around the cable, and a bit of a fire hazard. So it's good to have the right stuff, and these definitely do. Now, it's not paracord or anything. It's a nylon mesh braided cable around each one of them. It's not paracord. If you're getting something with paracord on it, just a quick tip about that, usually you're buying from companies that are overseas, and you're gonna be paying a bit of a premium for that. So if it sounds too good to be true, or it says it's paracord and it's a low price, it's probably not paracord, but there's nothing wrong with this stuff, and it feels great. Not that you're gonna be reaching in your computer and constantly feeling your cables, but there you go. Asiahorse does have a well-rounded amount of colors, anything from whites and blacks, pure pinks, to these mixed colors like the black and pink on this one. There's not a whole lot to say about them, so I will explain a little bit about how it works too. These do not replace, these are extensions, so make sure you have space to tuck away some of those nasty cables. If you're using something like ketchup mustard cables that came on your power supply, that you don't have a modular power supply and you want to not have that and you want something like this, you simply just connect the power supply connector to the actual cables that you get and plug them into your tower, and then hopefully you have room to hide away some of those ugly cables. They also come with cable combs, which is great both in a clear color and a black color depending on what you prefer. If you wanted something else, I think Asiahorse even makes like RGB ones that have light strands on them, so that might be an option also. There's a total of 6 30-centimeter cables in there, 1 24-pin connection, 2 8-pin connections, 2 6-pin connections, and 1 4x4-pin connection. And I personally think they look pretty good. Now, while I'm using them kind of in my test PC here, they definitely change the aesthetic of it, but I'm not so sure that my bright pink ones go well in that. If you simply just wanted to watch a video that put you a little bit at ease, I've been using them now for about a week, and I feel like I'm quite confident in their ability to handle power loads, not smoke, melt, and burn down my house, as well as look really good. I've actually used these in the past too while working on PCs. I used white ones in one I built not too long ago that I really should have done a video on, and I robbed you guys of that, sorry. Just a simple budget PC that looked nice, and I used the white cables in there to give it that nice extra pop. But I decided I did want to make a video on these because I'm not sure how many people have actually talked about these, or if you're interested in it, or if I cover something that you might not have been aware of. Definitely that's what I wanted to try to do, was present to you. While I'm actually looking at Asiahorse's fans, I got some of these too because they're worth talking about if you're somebody that's interested in it. You know, some prices can get really high, and these really aren't that bad price-wise, and they're a nice way to add some change. Anyways, you guys have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you in the next video that I do.